Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making mutton chops. Let's start by making the white paste. For that, you need 5 cashew, 6 to 7 almond watermelon seeds, 1 tablespoon, poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon, grind it together and keep it aside. In 1 kilogram mutton, add green raw papaya paste, 1½ tablespoon salt to taste, half a teaspoon, 2 tablespoons curd white paste, and all these spices: red chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tsp, cumin powder half a teaspoon, black pepper -1/2 teaspoon. Then add some mustard oil and mix it all well. Leave it 2 to 3 hours or overnight, shallow fry, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new content.